Jule Salam. As we all know that today on the 5th of June we celebrate Environment Day all over the world. So due to this pandemic we can't celebrate Environment Day as we used to celebrate earlier. So Ladakh Student Association Chandigarh and all other associations like LEAF, Delhi, Silsa, Alsat, Sanskar, Nubra and Ladakh Student Association LEAF has decided to organize an online competition and webinar for you guys regarding environmental issue. So our topic is recycling creativity competition and our theme is best out of West. So guys, do participate and there will be a cash prize for winner. After this we have a short video from LSF family regarding environment. But wait, last we have to promise ourselves to keep our environment clean. Tere hai khoryuk samapura.
World Environment Day or Eco Day is celebrated annually on 5th of June and is awareness and action for the protection of environment. It is the platform for raising awareness of environmental issues such as marine pollution, human overpopulation, sustainable consumption, global warming and wildlife.
World Environment Day is a global platform for public outreach with participation from over 143 countries annually. And this program comes up with new forums, new themes for businesses, NGOs, communities, governments and celebrities to advocate environmental causes.
World Environment Day offers a global platform for inspiring positive change. It pushes individuals to think about the way they consume products, for business to develop greener models, for farmers and manufacturers to produce more sustainably, for government to invest in repairing the environment, for educators to inspire students to take action, and for youth to build a greater future.
World Environment Day is hosted by the different country in which the official celebration takes place. In 2021, Pakistan is the host country in this year. Its official celebration calls for urgent action to review our damaged ecosystem.
From forest to peatland to coast, we all are depend on the healthy ecosystem for our survival. Ecosystem is defined as the healthy interaction between living organisms, plants, animals, and people with their surrounding. This includes human nature, but also human-made systems such as cities and farms.
Ecosystem restoration is a global undertaking at massive scale. It means repairing billions of hectares of land, an area better than China or USA, so the people have access to food, clean water, and job.
It means bringing back of plants and animals from brink of extinction, from the peaks of mountains to the depths of sea.
But it also includes many actions everyone can take every day. Example, plantation, rebuilding our garden, cleaning up the rivers and area, etc.
Restoring ecosystem create a great significance for the people. For every dollar invested in restorations, at least $7 to $30 in return for the people are expected. Restorations also create jobs in rural areas where they are most needed. And some countries have already invested in restorations as part of their strategies to bounce from the COVID-19.
Tell me one thing, what comes to your mind when we use the word waste? It can be a large picture of dirty, used and unhygienic things lying around the corner of the road. Every year, millions and tons of waste are produced globally.
We say that waste is a global issue, right? Why waste is a global issue? This is because it is producing a huge threat to the environment and to the public health. It is linked to the way the society is producing and consuming goods of any kind.
Waste. Waste has to be looked as a global issue as it concerns proper sanitation. An excellent plan to reuse the waste will give room for provision of potable food, water, shelter, communication and transport. Basic essential to society and the economy as whole.
In many countries, there are minimal to absolutely no rules or regulating the system. There are no rigorous enforcement or implementation of the same, leading to obtaining of cheapest available course of action for the removal of waste.
How can we help the environment as an individual? I hope that you almost have heard about the 3 R's.
Well, what are the 3 R's? The principle of reducing waste, reusing and recycling resources and products is often called the 3 R's.
Reducing means choosing to use things with care to reduce the amount of waste generated. Reusing involves the repeated use of items or parts of items which still have usable aspects.
Recycling is a method of procedure that includes the collection and breaking down of waste material to create something new out of it. The process was introduced so that the non-biodegradable material can be melted or break down to create something useful.
Thought this video was be initiated to let people know that there can be also a good side to the waste that people throw away, and by reusing them, we can find best out of waste.
So at last I want to conclude this program with this beautiful slogan: consume less plastic and lead a healthy life. Yang na tene ata plastic samtuk nya na ata tene kam use tene niche kita te transport kudaza.